See a helicopter 911 flight 93 check-in post in 5. Trying to call me Melton. You want to know when else your family's lifelines won't be allowed to work? Get it on video, time, date, number, date. Oh, these, if you see a number, it's older contact 0911. Is that number erased? But, yeah, the true believers kind of reference. But make that video, post that video. I got a lot of photos in this folder to design with. And hold on, I'll show you my latest. I'll pause it first. Just one 911 Flight 93 check call in a dozen years, no mail. Make that video, whatever you get when you don't get me. And use those GPS things to find the world's stolen mail warehouses. Post.